Somebody asked me who sent me again. Hi guys, welcome to my I call this a mini vlog. Anyway, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you what whipped cream looks like and how it is made. So for this day we cut out to make a whipped cream and cut out using the whipped cream. That is fine. So I'm just this training is quite pretty hesitant because you have to and that I have an amazing bracelet. So this is one of my very favorite bracelets. She just asked me for so little knife is at this point, everybody was already calling. Nobody was making me the money before I because it's a country. Everybody was so this is my journey Pardon me, I'm tired. At this point, I was done with stacking and trimming my cake. I decided to crumb coat my cake, and I was laughing because my classmates were saying so many funny things. We were all having fun while we were working on our different cakes. I was crumb coating my cake with a butter with a whipped cream. Yeah, whipped creams are very soft and very cream-like and very sweet, like ice cream-like. I love whipped cream so much. Yeah, I think whipped cream is my best form of cake covering. It's my best cake covering because of how sweet and creamy it looks like. It's just like ice cream. So one of us were actually talking and we're just laughing and working. I love working with these girls. They make me so happy when I get to work. I am happy. They're so cheerful. I'm happy to see them. We have fun together while we work on our cake. Thereby making our cake, making our job very easy. So we were just decorating our cake. You can see my colleague back there. She was really struggling with her own the way I'm struggling with my cake, and then we're just making jest of each other and laughing. Meanwhile, let me mention that this cake I'm working on is my cake. After everything, I'm going to go home with it and enjoy. So that is why I'm talking and doing whatever I like. So I tried to smoothen out my crumb coating and for it to come out nice, looking all pink and all that. Baking makes me happy. I love to bake. I love to bake so much. Like when I'm upset, baking makes me feel better. So it's a hobby that it's a passion rather. I really want to turn it to a business. So help me God. Amen. At this point, nobody was complaining actually. Nobody was complaining at this point, yeah, because everything was going easy a bit. It wasn't time to cover the cake. And this is my instructor. She was going around to make sure that everybody is doing what they are supposed to do and doing it the right way. So it was time to cover my cake. This is a piping bag that contains my whipped cream. So I was going around to be able to get every angle of this cake, to be able to cover every angle of this cake using my whipped cream. I wasn't managing my whipped cream at all. I was just pouring and pouring because I didn't know. It's actually my first time of covering a whipped cream cake. So I was just pouring and making sure that every angle gets enough whipped cream. And after that, I started to blend it. I would not say anything from here, just so you can enjoy what I am doing. this point, my tired was already tired. Like I was extremely tired, and I've gotten what I want to an extent. So I just wanted to smoothen it out and clean up my board and set my cake in the freezer for a while because my whipped cream was already very weak, so it was very light. And I'm just smoothing off the top, and that's it. So my cake is actually ready.
Single wing is English or pidgin? Use microscope to look at it.
I've decorated my cake. I'm still
So
balancing.
let me see from the beginning. By now, we have been used to correct English.
I
English.
also enjoyed
What did I
um,
say again? What I do? We still do. Oh, you still sing again.
having a very next
My daughter made extra because I know you mentioned it's not small. Imagine that you don't make it. Everything you have to do is small. Advanced students. Oh yeah. Write down the law is your next week Monday. Okay, so everybody. Don't say. On Monday we are coming with your cakes. People are coming with your cakes on Monday. How many cakes? Advanced students are coming with your cakes. I'm still very surprised now.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. And the final look, this is what the four of us made. Mine is the first, and we had to make a video. My colleague was so funny. We were making videos and we were so happy, like we did this finally. It wasn't easy, but here we are. Thank you for watching.